G'day everybody, welcome to the shed. I'm outside today, Saturday in the shed, maybe, might be Sunday session, who knows. Anyway, I've got a cameraman today, so Mike, say hi Mike.
Hi Mike.
Thank you very much. So today I'm just having a look at, I dug out the twice turn stuff I did, the Willow and the Banksia. So the Willow's quite dry, looking quite good. And I turned one of these at Ararat. This one's got a split in it, maybe salvageable with a split, but it's still definitely salvageable to turn down past it. Another one, same, little pith there, so I'll turn down past that. I have to now. So these have all come up pretty nicely. I've been through these have got very little damage in them, and I can only hope that these will have a similar sort of figure to the one that I turned at Ararat, because that really did surprise me. I was very happy with how that. This one's a bit thicker. Now these were done on the 1st of September last year. So they're about, where are we now? We're in June, so they're about 9 months since I turned them. And they're quite dry. So I'm happy with that. And this is the bigger one of the lot. A little red back there. Get rid of him. I'll flick him at Mike because Mike loves spiders. And then we get into the Banksia. So I did a heap of little Banksia bowls. They've all come up very nicely. And these still feel like they've got a bit of weight in them, but Banksia is reasonably heavy anyway. This is one of the bigger ones. And that's come up very nice, no cracks, no checks, nothing. So that'll make a very nice bowl. This one, so we've got a pith here, and we've got some cracks. There's a pith up here as well that I missed. I should have turned past that one, I didn't notice the other one. There's a few cracks in that in here, and I'm at this stage unsure whether I'll turn that and try and salvage it, or whether I'll try and get some smaller pieces out of it. Options are open with that one. This one has got a small crack up here, and this will probably be Workshop Wednesday this week, turning this piece. So Workshop Wednesday, Banksia bowl. Should be a very nice one, I think. And then we had this one. And definitely cracked. So there's a pith through here that I didn't notice. The whole tree that came down had lots of branches and that coming out of it. So is this salvageable? Now I've spoken to Reese and Dale, and they both have different ideas on what I could do with it. And neither of them are bad. But I think it is salvageable. I think I can make a bowl roughly this size out of this. So stand by to see how that gets done. That'll be sometime in the future, because there will be a bit of prep work to get it done, but let's see if we can make that a bowl. All right, everybody, thank you very much for coming to the shed today. And give me a like, subscribe, do all those nice things. And I will see you next time.